Today, we're taking a nostalgic journey through the evolution of Sony Xperia phones, from Sony's first mobile device to the latest models in 2025. By the way, I'm Vice from Vice Tech. Let's get started. Starting with Sony CMD-Z5 2000. Our story begins in the year 2000 with the Sony CMD-Z5, one of Sony's first mobile phones. It featured a unique design with a flip form factor. The CMD-Z5 was lauded for its compact size and intuitive interface, making it a popular choice for early adopters. Sony Ericsson K800i 2006. In 2006, Sony Ericsson, a joint venture between Sony and Ericsson, released the K800i. Known for its impressive 3.2 megapixel camera, the K800i was a game-changer in mobile photography. With its Cybershot branding, it laid the groundwork for what would become Sony's emphasis on camera quality in smartphones. Sony Xperia X10 2010. The Xperia brand was born in 2010 with the Sony Xperia X10. It introduced a 4-inch display and was powered by Android 1.6, featuring a custom UI that enhanced the user experience. It set the tone for future Xperia devices, focusing on style and multimedia. Sony Xperia Z 2013. Fast forward to 2013, the Xperia Z was a breakthrough device with its elegant design and IP57 water and dust resistance. Featuring a 5-inch Full HD display and a powerful Snapdragon processor, it was well received for its premium build and photographic capabilities, including a 13-megapixel camera. Sony Xperia Z3 2014. 1 year later, in 2014, Sony released the Xperia Z3. This device continued to push the boundaries with an improved camera, better battery life, and a thinner design. It was praised for its performance and solidified Sony's position in the smartphone market. Sony Xperia XZ 2016. The Xperia XZ launched in 2016, introducing features like a Sense-Eye camera and 23MP rear camera for stunning photos. It combined performance with aesthetics, appealing to users looking for a flagship experience without compromises. Sony Xperia XZ2 2018 and Xperia XZ3 2018. In 2018, Sony revamped its design philosophy with the Xperia XZ2, featuring an 18:9 display for a more immersive viewing experience and a dynamic vibration system for enhanced media playback. The Xperia XZ3 followed soon after, showcasing a sleek design with a QHD plus OLED display, improved camera capabilities, and the integration of the dynamic vibration system, further enhancing the multimedia experience. Sony Xperia 1 2019. The Xperia 1 debuted in 2019, showcasing a 21:9 cinema-wide display, making it a favorite for movie lovers. Its triple camera system catered to photography enthusiasts, emphasizing Sony's commitment to high-quality imaging. Sony Xperia 5 2019. Along with the Xperia 1, we saw the introduction of the Xperia 5. More compact yet powerful, it maintained the same camera technology and display aspect ratio, proving that great features can come in smaller packages. Sony Xperia 1 Mark II 2020. 2020 brought the Xperia 1 Mark II, further enhancing the camera capabilities with real-time eye autofocus and 20 FPS burst shooting, catering to professional photographers and videographers. Its robust battery life and 5G capabilities made it a standout. Sony Xperia 5 Mark II 2020. Also released in 2020, the Xperia 5 Mark II featured many aspects of its larger sibling, including a pro-grade camera system, but in a more compact design. It appealed to users wanting high-end features without the bulk. Sony Xperia 1 Mark III 2021. Moving on to 2021, the Xperia 1 Mark III brought an even more refined experience thanks to its variable telephoto lens and advanced gaming features. It pushed boundaries, particularly in terms of camera versatility. Sony Xperia 5 Mark III 2021. The Xperia 5 Mark III continued to impress in the same year with similar attributes to the 1 Mark III, but at a more accessible price point, making pro-level photography accessible to more users. Sony Xperia 10 Mark III 2021. Finally, in 2021, the Xperia 10 Mark III targeted users looking for affordable performance with 5G connectivity and a solid camera setup, proving there's a great Xperia for everyone. Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV 2022. Fast forward to 2022, the Xperia 1 Mark IV showed off its new real-time tracking technology in photography, making it one of the most advanced phones for capturing action shots. Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV, released simultaneously, balanced premium features in a more compact size, ideal for everyday use without sacrificing quality. Sony Xperia 1 Mark V 2023. Now, in 2023, we have the Xperia 1 Mark V, which furthers Sony's commitment to photography with a new sensor and advanced video recording capabilities, continuing to build on the flagship legacy. Sony Xperia 5 Mark V 2023. The Xperia 5 Mark V builds upon its predecessor with enhanced performance, improved camera technology, and a sleek design, making it a perfect choice for those seeking premium features and a compact form factor. Sony Xperia 10 Mark V 2023. The Xperia 10 Mark V offers a balance of affordability and functionality with upgraded camera features and a vibrant display, catering to users wanting quality without breaking the bank. Continuing the flagship lineage, the Xperia 1 Mark VI 2024 introduces cutting-edge imaging technology and superior audio capabilities, solidifying Sony's position in the premium smartphone market. The Xperia 1 Mark VII 2025 builds on its predecessor with a groundbreaking camera design featuring advanced optical zoom and enhanced low-light performance, ensuring it remains at the forefront of mobile photography. The Xperia 10 Mark VII continues the trend of affordability paired with functionality, boasting a new camera design that enhances everyday shooting experiences without stretching the budget. So there you have it. Sony Xperia phones have evolved tremendously from the CMD Z5 of 2000 to the highly capable Xperia 1 Mark VII of 2025. Each model pushed the boundary of technology and design, emphasizing Sony's commitment to audio and visual excellence. Which Xperia model was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech history. That's all I got for you today. Thank you for watching and have a great time. See you on the next one. Peace.